This is how to use Google Gemini on lock screen. So if your Samsung phone or Android phone screen is locked and you say, hey Google, Google Gemini is going to respond. You see that? Hey Google, what's today's date? So you can say it prompts me to unlock my phone before it can respond. Now, if you want to use the Google Gemini even while the screen is locked, just go ahead and search for the Google app. Open it. Click on the profile picture at the top right. Click on Settings. Then under Settings, you want to go ahead and click on Gemini. Scroll down Gemini. Click on Gemini on lock screen. Then turn on Use Gemini without unlocking, quickly get answers, set reminders, add events to your calendars. Then it should say ongoing calls and messages. Make calls and send messages without unlocking. So if you want to make calls without unlocking your phone, turn on this using Google Gemini. Now when next your phone screen is locked and you say, hey Google, what's the time?
"10:38 a.m."
You see that? So I no longer need to unlock my phone to use Google Gemini. And that's it. If you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.